Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarter of Global CEO Club is based in USA. I started this journey around 8 years ago, now scattered across the globe. We are here at Gem and Minerals Expo being organized by Gem and Mineral Association Pakistan. Ms. Shamsa from Zali Jewels is Zali Jewels is with us. I request Mr. Shamsa, please share with us about your product range, please.
Okay, the concept behind Zali Jewels is to harness the energetic properties of the natural, powerful stones of Pakistan, from the Karakoram mountain ranges and the Hindu Kush mountain ranges, which are one of the most complex geological laboratories in the world. You will not find this geological formation anywhere else in the world. It is unique to Pakistan. So I'm trying to showcase the mountain specimens as they are. So if you look at my pieces, mini mountain sculptures and specimens. So you wear a piece of the mountain on your chest or on your fingers or on your wrist, so that the stable mountain energy permeates into you and it resonates with you. So these stones are resonators, and you wear powerful resonators to bring you tranquility and stability. That is the concept behind my products. You'll find lots of, every stone is these are one-off products because the stones are unique. They are cut, they are all hand wired, and there is nothing artificial about it. Every piece is hand wired from start to finish.
You can show your product.
So this is serpentine. It's Zeher Mora. The stone is called Zeher Mora in Urdu. It's serpentine. It's one of the most powerful transformative stones in the world, and I've turned it into a pendant so you can wear it, and it's a triple drop pendant. Then this is marjan. These are real fossils which are actually thousands, in fact millions of years old, again from the Karakoram range. There is nothing artificial about my jewelry. There is nothing made up or synthetic about it. Everything is pure, everything's from Pakistan, and everything is handmade, and I'm sure you will love it. And the energy of the mountains will come into you. Pyrite is a stone which is prized by Chinese, which has been prized by civilizations over centuries, and I bring to you natural pyrite pendants. Pyrite pendants which have been gold plated to resemble nuggets of gold. And then there are millions of other products which you can see on my website.
Thank you, Ms. Shamsa. Have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful event. Thank you.